What I wish I knew at 40 instead of stressing about diets? Weight loss is not just about willpower, but about small signals being sent from my body. GLP-1 explains why this works. Let's get right into it. GLP-1 is a natural messenger from your gut sending messages to your brain after you eat. It tells you, hey, you're getting full, and this helps keep your blood sugar steady. There are several new treatments that use that same message system. They help people feel less hungry and manage weight more easily. We are not talking about magic pills. It's about making your body's own signals stronger and smarter. Most people notice smaller cravings, steadier energy, fewer sugar crashes. Like anything, it's not one size fits all. Talk to your doctor about risks and whether it's right for you. Want a simple starter guide? Comment GLP-1 and we'll send you a free copy, GLP-1, a beginner's guide for women over 40. Quick, helpful, and no fluff. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more info about weight loss and GLP-1.